Hello, it's Ollie here at the Crafty Whisk, and I'm so grateful that you could join me today. Welcome to day 3 of our Snazzi Scrappin Advent box. Day 3 is here. And we have a little ephemera kit. This is from Stamperia, all around Christmas. Looks really nice actually. I wonder if I can easily undo it. Let's have a look. Oop. I might have to remove it from the thing. But as we can see, we've got a little corgi coming out of a gift. Grandfather clock, we've got a wreath. Looks like we have a little house. Ball of twine, some leaves. Very, very nice kit, and some of them you can use for other occasions. The grandfather clock you can use all year round. The little corgi coming out of a gift can be any sort of gift occasion. Very nice. Join me tomorrow for day 4. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it when I bring out a new video.